Now let's look how Marts and Paula will show us waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's look now at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold and start with natural spin turn. Notice the lady's brush here. We continue with turning lock to promenade position. From here we dance chasse from promenade position, moving diagonally to center. We continue with quick open reverse turn and now hover corte, continued by back whisk, and now from whisk we dance chasse from promenade position, moving diagonally to wall, and hesitation change using man's heel pull here. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite angle, and we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, and we start diagonally to wall with natural spin turn first bar, second bar goes around the corner. Now we move down line of dance with turning lock to promenade position, and with chasse we move diagonally to center. In same direction we move with quick open reverse turn. Now we move down line of dance with hover corte, and then against line of dance with back whisk. Now we dance chasse, moving diagonally to wall. In same direction we continue with hesitation change first bar, and second bar we move into corner. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.